The Vice President UNIBEN, Oluwafemi emphasized that the reason behind choosing HIV and AIDS as the theme of the year is because the number of this deadly disease keeps increasing day by day, which needs urgent prevention.
In the course of this week, we're going to be educating the masses, particularly people in UNIBEN and UBTH, about HIV and AIDS prevention and risk factors.
The Provost, School of Medicine, Professor Wilson Sado, said HIV is a disease that requires attention. He then commended the association and urged them to keep up the good work.
I was quite impressed that our students, even though they are medical students, that they thought about this and have gone about it the right way. I'm sure they have impacted their own environment.
A fellow, West African College of Physicians, Dr. Annie Chidebere, who represented Professor A.I. Omoigberali, dwelt immensely on the theme HIV and AIDS, the historical perspective, causes and prevention. Dr. Benson Okwara, who took the second lecture titled Truncating the HIV and AIDS Circle, talked about the risk factors involved in HIV transmission.
Mothers had been on heart less than 4 weeks, or it was an incidental finding. Maybe they even delivered the baby and you notice that the mother is HIV positive.
So researches have been done and they have revolutionized, the care or the treatment.
Other dignitaries and key stakeholders in the nation's medical sector include the Provost for School of Medicine, Professor Wilson Sado, and Dean of Medicine, Professor Osaro. High point of the event was the launching of the 2022 Stethoscope magazine titled HIV and AIDS. The event also featured the presentation of merit awards to some deserving personalities for their valuable support for the association. The President, Vice President, Dean and Provost of the Great Association talked about the importance of the theme to the society.
They have learned about a very important issue that has to do with youth, the issue of HIV and its transmission.
Where we are enlightening the public, we're enlightening people about HIV, how to reduce stigmatization, how to avoid the disease. It has been a very successful program, as you can see.
Favour Osaro reporting.